Yes, how's it going? Welcome. How many people? We got, oh, nice. We got 10 people here already. Natalie, how's it going? Welcome. Welcome to another stream, guys. Another live, another call. Let's see what the US session brings. There's been a lot of opportunity today already. But yeah, let's knuckle down. Let's try and catch a position in the US session. How's everyone's day been so far? How's everyone's day been? Cheers for likes, guys. Nice one. Yep, nice one. Cheers for likes. Let me just share really quickly this link for the YouTube live. Okay, good. Right, that's shared. We've got a decent number in already. Good stuff. Yeah, nice one. Yo, Skate, how's it going? Yeah, Brazil top. This is from Thailand. Thailand Brazil top tier. I think it's I like this top. Yo, yes, Skate, welcome. Ron, welcome. Yeah, let's try and catch it. Guys, I'm gonna go through a few positions that have actually have happened today. A few decent entries. I'll go through them later after I've done the breakdown. But yeah, it's been decent. Vietnam Joe, I hope you're well, mate. Yeah, I'm good, thanks, Dean. How are you? How are you doing? Hope everyone's good. Hope everyone's had a good Monday. There's been some decent opportunity already this week. Like, I know there was a move here in Asia, which a member caught this Asia move who trades Asia. This push down gave you like over 200 ticks. I've caught a 35 tick long here. Decent 35 tick long there. I'll go through that in a second, but I'm up 35 ticks already for the day, so there's no need to rush anything, but we'll see what happens. Natalie doing handstands in the chat. Guys, bear with me 30 seconds, okay? Right, guys, yeah, I'm back. But yeah, there's a clean range on gold now anyway. We'll go through that. We'll go through the range and stuff in a second. I'm just seeing who's here. We've got 20 people here now. Nice. Yeah, 20 people here. Discord's been very active too, which is good to see. Discord's been very active. But yeah, right, we'll break gold down now anyway. So, for this session on gold, just looking at the H4 really quickly, you can see that the H4, you can see there's a lot of liquidity to the downside. And something that I was interested in is looking at the H4, how much liquidity gold hasn't taken. Look, you've got a low here that price came very close into, just didn't take it. And now we've just created a lot of liquidity to the downside to take if gold does start closing bearish below some levels. Is there any liquidity above to take on gold? Well, for me, the last point of liquidity that you've got is this little 15-minute high that still hasn't been taken. However, if we do catch some longs, or if I do catch some longs, that will be probably the final TP for today for longs. Because if you just look at the 30-minute on gold, you know, you've got a big level here. After this liquidity, you've got a big level on gold at 26.50. You know, you can see how big this level is. Look, resistance, big support here. You know, price could come into that and push away. I wouldn't really want to be taking, like I say, you can leave runners. Of course, you can leave runners into them highs, but I wouldn't be looking to take gold much higher than 26.50 if longs are there. Like I say, you can leave, if you're using 10 micros and you come into this level, yeah, you can leave one or two micro runners into there, of course, but I won't be trying to push gold too much further past there. But in terms of ranges to the upside, like I say, there's not much to break above in terms of where we are looking to go long. For me, you've got a range on gold now from 26.37 to 26.45. The problem being is if you get back above 26.45, where do you target? You know, you've got a little bit of liquidity there too, which price could run into. So Sorry, one second. I'm just having a look at this. Will you keep the Discord up to date, mate? Need to jump out for a bit. Yeah, Callum, no problem, mate. I'll post some. I'll post it in the Discord too, of course. Yeah, no problem, mate. Yeah, but the Discord's been. Yeah, I'll just put the Discord there. That's absolutely fine, mate. Do that now. Yeah, 20 people in already. Nice. Hope everyone had a good weekend anyway. But yeah, for me on gold, like you've got a collection of highs here you can take. Collection of highs here. Collection of highs here. If gold gets back above this level, you can start looking for your longs into these highs. Okay? You can start looking for longs into these highs. You know, back below 26.37 sells all day for me. But I'd need to get back below this level before I even start looking at sells. Look at how bullish the 4 hourly is. Look at how bullish the hourly is. Yeah, you can look for half risk within this range, but half risk maximum. For example, yeah, you can look for longs now into the liquidity above, but make sure it's half risk and make sure you understand this range that we're currently in on gold. 26.45 to 26.37 is the only range really that I've got. Looking at the 30, it's clean too, you can see. Big support and resistance here, look to the left. So yeah, this is the range we're in. Get back above, I'll be open to them longs for sure. You know, we've still got above this range into them highs. You've got 50 ticks there. But, guys, there's literally no selling until we get below 26.37, okay? For me at all. This is big. This is a big level on gold, 26.37, look. Resistance, 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 huge support. If we get below here in this session, then yeah, perfect. Sells all day down into the liquidity below. Hey, Martin, how's it going? Welcome to the stream, mate. Martin's in. Like I say, just jumping on for an hour. Obviously, a longer stream than Friday. Friday was shocking price action. And when I was on stream here, I literally came off stream like here. And the reason I came off stream like here is because I knew what gold was going to do for the rest of the day. And it literally stayed in that range. So we saved ourselves an hour and a half. Which I saved an hour and a half of people's time there on Friday. Shocking price action. But yeah, gold, quite a simple range for now. Playing this range, you can see that it's a decent range on most time frames too. Look, support, 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 resistance, support, 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 resistance. Look, you've got support here, now acting as resistance. So within this range, just chill. When you get above, we can look for them liquidity above targets to get hit. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking for that. I'm looking for that push higher above 26.45 or that continuation lower, which will have to be a closure below 26.37. Okay. But yeah, let's wait for these ranges to close. But yeah, how's everyone's weekend been? Yeah, smash a like too, guys. Put a like in the comments. A like on the stream. Get a comment in if you've just joined. There's a few ranges that you can have on gold, and like I say, you can have this range here, 26.40 to 26.45. But the problem is if you close below here, you've closed below a range, of course. But what have you also got? You've got a range literally right below it. And if gold closes below 26.40, this level, you've not got much room into this. You've got like 20 ticks. And if you want that strong close, you want it to close nicely, so it's not worth it. Just use your levels that make more sense. And for me, it's 26.37 to 26.45, okay? But yeah, welcome guys. But there, we've got some decent liquidity targets. And something I'm really interested in is this trend line that hasn't been taken yet. You can see liquidity here, liquidity here. You know, if gold does get below, say, 26.37, then we've got that decent push down into that double bottom on gold, which is like 150 ticks. So I'm not trying to catch risky shorts here. I'm not trying to catch risky shorts here. I'll catch them full risk shorts with higher probability below this level. Okay. I'll just update this level now. I'll just update my levels in the community now for the people who aren't in the live. 1 second. Everyone. Decent turnout, guys. US session Monday, 21 people here. Good stuff. Good stuff. But yeah, we're on. We've got the Brazil top on today. The Brazil top. I was going to buy, obviously, the England shirt when I were in Thailand as well, but there just weren't there just weren't any at the time. I'll try and find one here when I'm in Vietnam. Bam, 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 bam. But yeah, nice one. But yeah, if I can, I'll just show you the entry that I took today. Let me just reverse back here. This was the entry, and I was very interested this morning. Look at this. This was 6:45 London session, and I said to the community, the guys in the community will know. I said I'm not looking to short gold due to the fact that look at the H4. This red H4 candle here was super bearish, and we were sitting very close to some liquidity targets below here, okay? We're sitting very close to these lows, and I said I'd like to see these lows get taken before looking for longs. However, if we close above some levels, then I will be then open to some longs. So when price was here, when I was updating gold, I said I want to look for shorts into these lows and then potentially look for longs if we break above some levels. But like I say, sometimes gold doesn't do what you need it to do. Sometimes it doesn't go into the liquidity that you want it to go in. Like I say, gold here had some beautiful liquidity below to take out, and I was looking to enter short into there, but it just didn't set up. What did set up for me was this level, a closure above this level here at 26.27, and I said to the community, if we can get back above here, you know, if we have an impulse entry, we can look for the impulse entry. If we have the impulse entry, you can look for the impulse entry. But if we get above, you know, we can then look for the longs higher because there is still liquidity above market to take. And I will show that liquidity here. Bang, liquidity highs here, liquidity highs here. And look what gold did. I said, only looking for shorts now until we get back above this level. And in one candle, gold takes liquidity and continues higher, breaks above. And I enter on the next candle flip higher, okay? I enter on the next candle flip higher, stops on the lows, and gold. Here we go. I entered on that candle there, and I get out. My stop loss was like, what, 15 ticks? TP, I literally took TP at 35 ticks there. That was the entry. Took 35 ticks, got out. Yeah, that was the entry that I took. Another community member took a short here. Literally entered there all the way down, like 110 tick push. Insane. And there was another entry that I personally didn't take, but I think, no, I know for sure Wes did take it. Wes in the community, I don't know if you hear Wes in the YouTube, but Wes took this candle here, the flip of this next candle higher. He took this candle, which would push like nice 30 ticks. I know he took profits, and the rest would break even. But yeah, just using the strategy today, you've got entry there, you've got 230 ticks there, you've got 35 tick entry that I took here, and you've got 20-30 ticks off that one candle push there. So there's been some great entries. I know a few of the members also took some 3-5 minute confirmation entries, which is perfect. Like I say, if you do see the confirmation after you get the higher time frame close, execute it. But for me, I've only taken that one 15 minute impulse entry. Sean, how's it going, bro? How are you doing, mate? Yeah, how are you, Sean, mate? Yeah, good afternoon. Hope everyone's good. 22 people here. Great turnout today. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. Yeah, get a question in, guys. And very active community chats today. Very active. If anybody does want to join the community, learn the full strategy, get involved in the members chats, I've just linked the Discord community to my website. Feel free to join. Get it going. But yeah, wins. Not many. Like I said, there's been 3 or 4 trading opportunities already today. It's only Monday, so the opportunities have been there. Like I say, you will, if you trade, like I say, from Asia all the way to US closing, if you trade the full day and you backtest a full day, you will see, well, the strategy that I teach, you will see 10, sometimes 15 opportunities within the day. But you don't need to be catching them 10, 15 opportunities in the day. You will see them set up. On average, you will see about 15 setups set up from the full day, from the start to the end of the day. But you don't need to be catching the 15 entries. You need to be catching, you know, if you just trade a little bit of London and a little bit of US and catch that 2 or 3 trades per day, that's all you need to be catching. But yeah, like I say, Asia might show three entries, you know, London might show 3 entries, which London has shown about 3 or 4 entries today on different time frames. It has shown them entries, and US might show 3 or 4 entries today. But like I say, I'll just trade the 2 or 3 hours in the US session, maybe catch 1 or 2 positions, and that'll be me done. But yeah, I hope everyone's good. Good stuff. I've just updated the community. If anybody who's, like I say, if anybody who can't get involved in the YouTube stream, I do update the community too. You know, I'm on YouTube for maybe like an hour and a half a day, on average, an hour and a half stream, but I'm in the community updating from, say, 7 a.m. London to like 5 p.m. London, so it's like a full 10 hours of updating. I do put a market update video in there, either a US session or a London market update video, explaining what I'm seeing. Sometimes I do London and US if I don't do the US stream, but I try to keep it more updated. But the thing is about the community too, like a lot of the members in the community and the members here will understand it, that they have the same analysis and the same ranges as me anyway. They'll be seeing the same setups. Like sometimes they'll put in, and it's good, I love to see it, 15 flips now. I'm like, yeah, perfect. I was just about to put in 15 flips are valid, or just about to put in hourly impulse entries. So it's good to see when people start learning the strategy, watching the videos, picking the entries up for themselves. It means that obviously I'm not going to be on the chat 24/7. Just means that they're seeing the same things that I would be seeing when I'm not there, which is good. It's what you want. Yeah, you got some decent ranges here, but I'm not going to be trading this range until a new range forms. Like I say, gold's always creating new ranges. So you've got 26.37 to 26.45 for now, yeah. But what could happen is gold could, in the next hour, create a different range. And then instead of playing 26.37, you're playing, say, this. This is just an example. You're playing this range here. You know, you're playing a tighter range then. So, like I say, this is the only range that we can use for now. And you got to play what you're given. You can't play what you think. For example, if I had any feeling in the market and I were trading off emotions, I would have a range like so. But I know that price has a range here. I know that price has a range here, and I know that price has a range here too. Okay. So what am I going to use? I'm not going to use this range here because price could come into this level and continue higher. Gold's still bullish, remember. Gold's still bullish for the London session. So the best thing to wait for is that closure below 26.37 for that continuation down. Okay. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Like I said, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in. Let's keep the chat active. Let's keep the YouTube active, guys. How's everyone's day been? Any wins, losses? How's everyone's day been so far? Community members, put in how your day's been. You know, how many trades have you taken? How many wins? How many losses? Let's see. Yeah, you can see as well as that. Look at this, like 30-minute, this level, or this sort of range that we're trying to get back above. You know, you've got rejection, rejection, rejection. Why would I look to buy? There's not a chance I'd look to buy here. You know, you could buy, move up 5 ticks, and then absolutely drop to the down, absolutely fall to the downside. Big sell-off at this level, because it is expected. That could possibly happen. The best thing to wait for is that close above 26.45. Okay. Oh, Paul, plus 25 ticks, nice. Did you take the same trade as me here, Paul? Did you take the 15-minute entry here? Did you take that 15 entry? Or did you catch something different? Let me know, man. But yeah, gold's, for a Monday, gold's had some great opportunities. And like I say, it's just when you're at the charts as well, like, The session that I've traded and the times that I've been at the charts, there was an entry at the time, and that's what you need to do. Just trade the sessions that you can trade. I took that entry there, but I couldn't take this entry because I was at the shop. It's as simple as that. You know, I could execute this 35 ticks here because I was sat down. You know, I had my alert set on the break of here. You know, if you're at work, just set your alerts at the ranges. Set an alert here, set an alert here. As soon as it breaks out, you know, you can look to trade. No need to be trading at work, guys. The strategy can be traded, you know, quite calmly. Yeah, good stuff, Paul. Yeah, Paul took that entry, nice. That was a very clean entry. Textbook. One position, one win so far, hoping for a super active US session. Yeah, me too. But to be honest with you, we had a very active Asia session, and London was very good too. London was quite clean, especially after that huge push down. So if US is active too, we're asking for a lot. 3 active sessions on a Monday. Like I say, I wouldn't be surprised if we range now for the US and then pushed again. Would be good though, Dean. 3 active sessions, but yeah, London was really active. You know, look at London here. London up, well, pre-London into the highs of London, 200 ticks. You know, I'm not going to be, I'm not complaining with that, especially after, I said to the community, I said I wouldn't be surprised if gold ranged after that huge push down in Asia, but it didn't. It broke out, entered long here, continuation higher. A bid, how's it going, mate? Yeah, a bid, how's it going? Bosch. Yeah, Bosch, let's go. Ooh, what's people saying in the community? Up to you. How did TP 2650? I don't know why people. Ah, okay, here. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, that after that green candle closure, yeah, price could continue higher. But the problem you've got is that you've got new resistance. This level here, like, understand, and something for the community members, you need to be looking at the range. Look at the range, yeah? When you break above it, it's active. It's, when you break above it, the confirmation is only valid to look for until you create that new range. And now, for me, gold created the new range, respecting some levels, so... Yeah, like I say, half risk longs here are valid. Any sort of half risk longs here are valid, but just remember you're in this range. Because I've taken a win already here, because I've taken a win already this morning on the 15 here, I won't be looking to take any risky long plays within this range. I would prefer to see price break out of this level at 26.45 and then continue higher into this liquidity. Yeah, if anyone's got any questions they want to ask, feel free to drop it in the comments, let me know. Put it in the chat. Yeah, clean 30, 15-minute range here. Very clean. Look at the 15 too. You can see how clean it is on the 15. You can look at recent price action to the left if you want a little bit, just to back your level up. But for me, what I'm seeing on this recent price action is plenty, you know, for longs and shorts. But yeah, let's see what gold wants to give us. Like I say, breaks above, nice longs. I just don't want it to range too much on this 5 and 15. I can see that it's getting quite choppy on this 32. Look, rejection, rejection, rejection. But like I say, some clean price action above, I'd love to try and take gold even higher. You know, into 2650. 2650 level is really nice. Into 2650 above this level, you've got 47 ticks. Yeah, but look at look at Asia. Asia pushed down. Look at that. Asia pushed down like what? 400 ticks? No, not 400 ticks. Asia pushed down 310 ticks. London session 240 ticks pullback. Could it range a little bit potentially? Yeah. But the positions have been there. The positions have been there today already. So if you caught them, nice. $21 people, nice. 21. Cheers for likes as well. Smash that like. 13 already. Good stuff. But yeah, decent day. 35 ticks already. Not going to complain with that at all. Not going to complain with that at all. And that's why it's super important as well to never have a full bias on gold. And I say this to people in the community who join. A few people say, oh, what's your bias for gold? Yeah, it's good to have a bias to a certain extent. But after this, how many people were going short after this bearish closure on the H4? Yeah, I was looking to go short too. I was loving shorts down into this liquidity down here. But I said to myself, yeah, I only want shorts. But if we can start, and I said in like one of the first messages, I am only looking for shorts. But if we start closing bullish, then I will be open to longs. And look, gold started closing bullish here. We entered longs and we profited, you know. And look at that, all the way up, literally since that breakout, gold's just continued higher. On a yacht, sipping on some juice right now, Joe. Nice one. How's it going? You're on a yacht right now. Oh, Australia. Are you in Australia? Is it Tom? Is it Tom? ADL. Oh, ADL. You haven't been in the stream for a little while. Is it Tom from... Is it Australia? I don't know. Like I said, there's so many names from so many different accounts that I need to remember. The community's... So many different people to remember now. But yeah, good stuff, mate. Enjoy yourself. I wish I want to be doing that as well. I want to do some stuff. Whoa, yo, Mesa, morning fam. How's it going, bro? Yeah, Mesa, welcome, mate. Mesa, how was your London session? Did you trade London or you just trade in the US today? This is the range that we're playing with right now. Still the same range. You know, gold's kind of bullish in... Well, it was bullish in London. So the only thing to do is to wait for a closure above 26.45 for that continuation play on gold. You know, right now, gold's ranging. Anybody long in gold, based off these bullish candles, you're in drawdown. Big drawdown. Best thing to do is wait. You want to minimize drawdown as much as possible. Nowadays, I skip London. Oh, really? Fair play, Messer. You know your bet. You know the sessions that you trade the best, mate. Good stuff. I caught 35 ticks in London, Messer. I know you've just joined. I caught this play here into them highs, 35 ticks. Well, 36 ticks, but. But yeah, within this range, I'm just gonna play this range now. I only trade USAM session 0. Oh, nice, good stuff. Yeah, you have your session, very good. I think it's good, especially if you've got, say, if you work in a job as well. Like the strategy that I use, a lot of people think that you need to be trading the sessions with the most volume. Like, yeah, to a certain extent you do, but you know, there's still some great moves late. There's still some great moves late session. Like, let's just have a look. Let's just back to Wednesday. Look at this. Still got some nice. Look at that. Literally, you've got a push down from 6:45 p.m. 60 tick push down there after the closure into these liquidity lows. You know, there's still moves. That's like. Look at this. Let me find another. Look at this move here. Bang. From 6:15 p.m. into them highs. Literally, look at that. 120 ticks. And that's the power of trading gold and the strategy that I teach. Like, if you work a full-time job, yeah, you can set alerts at work and you can still trade at work absolutely fine, setting alerts and waiting for like the 30, 15 hourly impulse entries. But like I say, you don't want to be looking at the lower time frames when you're trying to trade at work. Just, you know, set your alerts, wait for your breakouts. Once you get the breakout, set your TP into your liquidity. There's so many people who do that, and it's absolutely fine. Volume is coming 8 a.m. New York time. Yeah. Like I say, I like to jump on for pre-New York and New York Open. Yeah, 15 minutes till 8 a.m. New York, then the volume will come for sure. But like I say, you've had a big push down in Asia, huge push down in Asia, nice pullback in London. Could it consolidate US? Like I say, I'm not just gonna guess and not trade US, not at all. Like, I think that it could consolidate, but if it breaks above this level, I'm longing. If it breaks below, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. So, like I say, we'll see. About 500 kilometers off the North Pacific right now. Good stuff. Enjoy, mate. But yeah, we'll see. 30 minutes, kind of wiki right now. Not the cleanest price action. Can't complain with today though so far. Today's been decent. Got 18 people here still, nice. But I'm not playing this range for now. Yeah, hourly rejecting this level, and this is why not trading above within the range is super key. Like, anybody looking for longs up here, you can if you see the obviously there's no valid longs at all within this price action on any time frame. There's no longs, no confirmation, no half risk entries within here. Yeah, it's super choppy. But if there was, that's why it's super important and key to reduce your risk within these ranges, because gold could just continue to range. And if it continues to range, you're going to get chopped up. Like I say, above 26.45, full risk longs. Below 26.37, 26.38 area, full risk shorts. But we'll see what the session brings. let's see how many people are here. One sec, let me just check. 19, nice. Oh, nice. Almost at 400, guys. We're almost at 400. If you're not, subscribe and get to 400. How many are we at? 398. 2 off. Let's do it. Go for it. Let's try and do it before we end stream. Apparently, if I get to 400 subscribers, an entry, a 50-tick entry sets up. Don't know. I only heard it before. Someone said it before. Not sure if it's true or not, but may as well try and find out. But yeah, 2 off 400, decent. Appreciate it. I think everyone who's in the chat now is subscribed anyway, so I don't think me asking will do anything. I think it's just new people. All good anyway. Good to see familiar people back though. Mesa, Dean, Paul, Sean, Martin, Cal, Ron, Skate. Yeah, good to see the familiars back. Tom's back. Abid, Bosch. Nice, man. But yeah, let's see this price action now. Still within this range for now. Something that's interesting, 15 hasn't taken any candle highs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. You're potentially going to see that continuation up before the drop if you are going to see the continuation, before you are going to see the pullback down. You are going to see some of these 15 highs taken and then the continuation down. You know, respecting this overall range. If we do close below, that is. It's just about waiting for the. It's just about waiting for that price action. Yeah, wicking out these lows too. I'm going to see how this 15 closes. I am open to some half risk longs. I will be open to half risk longs, by the way. If this closes bullish, then I want to see if I can take some early longs higher. But like I say, if it carries on chopping, I'm just not going to take any trades within this range. It's just about waiting, keeping patient. I do like the fact that we have taken this liquidity to the left too. You know, we've taken that liquidity, that's the pullback. Mini little level there too to take it higher. Let's have a look. 5 minute. Nah, it's not too clean, but it's gonna get a little bit messy in there. Try and keep your charts as clean as possible. There's no need to be making it too hard work for yourself. Use clean ranges. You know, you can be buying above, selling below. No need to be taking half risk entries if you're not too keen on how gold works. But yeah, gold can get choppy within ranges. Just look at it before it moves gold. Look at it. Chopping, and then look, bang, straight above. Look, ranging, continuation. Even here, look at this. Ranging, continuation. Yeah. And we're in that stage now. Can you see this to the left? This was the range that we're in now, in current price action here. Okay. So it's just waiting for that direction to confirm. It's 4 hours saying, yeah, 4 hours rejecting a little bit, but not much. I'm very, like I say, I'm very keen to try and take or run some shorts down into these lows here. You know, you look at the collection of lows you've got below here. You've got liquidity lows all the way down here that haven't been taken, and this double bottom here too. So if gold does have that strong closure to the downside, and we do catch some short, and I do catch some shorts down, overall runners of like 180 ticks there. If we do catch the shorts below the level, which is good. Be looking at that this week. Yeah, let's see what gold wants to do. Stream's got excellent condition too, which is good. Good to see that the stream's not lagging like before. I had to alter a couple of things in my streaming software because the download and upload speed on this new Wi-Fi is different to what it is at home. So I just had to alter the bitrate. After I did that, absolutely fine. So. But yeah, good turnout, guys. We've got decent 20 people on average here. It's good. Back at it with US session streams every single day this week, okay? Every single day. Well, 4 or 5 times this week. It will be at least 4 for sure. 1.5 hours, 4 times per week at least. But yeah, Friday was a write-off. Anybody who did join the 30-minute stream on Friday, there was no way I was sitting here for 2 hours in this price action. We jumped on for 30 minutes. I explained that, what I was looking for the day, and I literally didn't catch anything within here. Super choppy. You don't want to be trading this PA. Be trading this PA. Like I say, don't be trading this. Wait for your breakout. Well, sorry, one sec. Don't be trading this. When you break out, trade what we traded here. Okay. But that, like on the 15, you can see like here. Don't be trading this. Be trading this. Same here. Okay. But yeah, 15 hasn't closed. Well, that 15 doesn't like it's going to close good anytime soon anyway. Yeah, let's see if we get some volume in this session. Right now we're just in this range. And that's what I mean. That's what I meant before when I was picking this range out. Yeah, you've got a range here that you can close below, you know? But look what's happening. Gold's reacting from this level. Never mind the level that we want to close below. So, you know, you could look for shorts below this 26.40. But if you get below 26.40 and you take shorts, price could react from the level that we want to close below at 26.36 and just continue higher. And it's something that I'm not risking when gold is when gold's within this bigger range here right now. You know, I'm not risking trying to catch 10 ticks. I'd rather just wait for the closure below 26.37 and then trade. Is gold gonna push higher? 15's about to close in 3 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Everyone, I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go get some water. Back in 2 minutes. I'm just getting some water. When yeah, I'll be back before this 15 closes. Okay. Yes, we're back. We're back. Yeah, we're back. So 15 has just, well, 15's about to close in 8 seconds. There's nothing here at all. Look how shocking this candle is. No direction whatsoever. We're on this 15. We're within the range, and there's no direction. So there's definitely no trading just yet at all on gold. Whoa, what's this? Straight down. Good stuff, gold. Yeah, look at this now. That last 15 candle gave no direction at all, and we're within this range, like I mentioned. You know, if this closed nice and bullish like it did when it was up here, then yeah, half risk longs are nice. But there's no direction on that last 15, or there's no direction at all on the 30 or hourly. It's got an equal wick on every time frame, 15, 30 and hourly, the last closure. It's got an equal wick. But yeah, that's the, let's have a look at, let's just have a quick look at the Discord community, see if anything's happening. Yeah, I'm just updating about this same range that we're playing. Yeah, gold. I would like sells. Don't get me wrong. If gold can push and break below 26.37, 26.36, then yeah, sells are nice. Yeah, sells are nice. For me anyway, just because in terms of liquidity, where is the liquidity sitting? On these laws here, on these laws here, on these laws here. Gold's gonna come down and take these before continuing in any direction. Yes, guys, get some questions in. Anybody who's got any questions, put them in the chat. Like I say, if you've got anything at all, put it in the chat. Keep it active in there. There's no questions I can see. Or it's not updating for me as yet. But yeah, hang in tight here. There's hang in there. There's no trading just yet. Not with the Neo anyway. But yeah, I'd want to see gold close below like so. Gold closes below like so, then shorts down would be decent. You know, create a wick like this. Bang. And you're getting that continuation down. Yeah. That 15 hit this low or not? Has it created another double bottom gold? Or has it taken it just, I think, let me zoom in. Yeah, it just took it. Look at that. Look at that low. It just got taken by how many ticks? Got taken by 0.5 ticks. And now is continuing higher. But yeah, it has just been taken that low. Probably will come and fill more of it. Probably will come and fill more of it, but we'll see. But yes, yeah, just staying patient with gold right now. Just stay patient. The move will come. We'll catch that move. Just stay patient, like I say, and like I've mentioned, we've already taken. There's already been like 3 or 4 positions today in London session, and well, there was one there, but there's already been like 3 entries in this price action here that you could have taken. But if you just trade in the US session today, just stay patient until you get a closure of this range. You know, this range right now, you can see anybody who shorted as we broke out of this range, as I mentioned before, is now in drawdown. Just look at the reaction you got from the level. You know, 26.37, instant rejection, now we're pushing away. Anybody getting short too early is in drawdown. Look, anybody shorting before breaking and closing below this level is in drawdown. And that's why it's super important that understand that price can reverse from these levels and continue higher. Price can reverse and continue lower at this level here. Why would I look to go long right now until we get back above here? Or why would I look to go short until we get back below here? So understand that gold reacts from these levels very, very well. Don't get enticed into anything. That's what gold loves to do. It loves to get people who don't understand how it works. It loves to get them in early. You know, you need to just take a step back with gold. Look what's happening. Watch people get stopped out. Like, for example, now, what are we seeing? Anybody who just wanted to enter short here before the closure, where they're going to have the stop losses? Well, they're going to have the stop losses here at 26.46, but they're also going to have the stop losses here. They're in drawdown now. But what can we see? Okay, well, if this candle closes bullish, they're going to start closing their positions. If this candle that they're in drawdown on right now, they're going to start closing their short positions. Why? Because they're seeing bullish candles. They're going to start closing the short. What will happen then? We can look to go long after the closure of this candle into their liquidity. But like I say, just need to zoom out, wait for your 15-30 minute closes below or above, and trade into the liquidity. Indy, why are these zones marked? Just because the key levels on gold, where gold's reacted from a few times already. Look, resistance, 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 you know, new support, new support. Look here to the left, resistance, resistance. Okay, you can see that with the price action you're seeing on your screen now on the 15, that this is the range that you don't want to be trading until you get a below or above. If you want to, guys, if you want to learn how to trade the way I trade, you know, closes and trading into and away from liquidity, join the Discord community, learn the full strategy. Okay. I have just put in, I've just commented 2 times the Discord community access link, so feel free to join. Indeed, great explanation. Nice one, mate. Like, yeah, don't get me wrong. The people who are loading shorts up now, they're not seeing that prices could react from this level that it's already reacted from. Okay? Prices already react. They don't understand that price could continue higher here. They're just seeing these red candles on the 15, and they're just flying in shorts without even thinking. You know, that's what retail do. They don't think. Retail traders who have only started trading, and yeah, if you've only been trading for like 1 or 2 months, don't think I'm aiming this at you. I'm trying to make you understand what new traders think and how impulse they are. Well, we trade impulse entries, don't get me wrong, but we trade it once we get the actual closure. They're very, very, very impulsive. Like, they just buy every red candle, buy every green candle, sell every red candle, and that doesn't work with gold at all. You know, you need to wait for your closes. Jamie, how's it going, mate? Indy, I'll join. Yeah, good stuff, mate. Sign up. See you there. I'll give you access as soon as possible once you've signed up. Yeah, it's a good. Like I say, for the people who are in the Discord community, it's a good, for sure, very, very good place to be. You know, we've got like 35 members now. It's very active members chats all day, which is great to see. Different discussions, like I say, obviously, people have different views on the market. People have different ideas, and to be in one place where you can share ideas and talk about it, like some things people will have different views on with how they view the market, but that's what the members chat's all about. All learning the strategy that I teach, in the same place, learning the concepts, getting profitable, passing challenges. What does it include once I've joined? Everything, seriously, everything you need to learn the full strategy that I teach is there in the Discord community. You've got 3 members chats: the crypto chat, the gold chat. You've got 4 members chats: general chat, gold chat, market chat, and the crypto chat. Very active in the gold chat all day. But you've also got like 20 trade breakdowns, like a trading tips channel where I've got 4 or 5 videos, daily market calls and market updates. You know, you've got the trading course videos, Zoom members chats, Zoom members meetings that we have maybe 2 or 3 times a week and on a Sunday. But yeah, everything that there's included. You get my Discord. One sec. What's this? There's something on my screen. One sec. I just need to delete that. Yeah, what I was saying. Yeah, you get my Discord as well, so you can ask me any questions, and obviously you've got the gold chats where you can ask questions too. There's everything that you need. Seriously. Saf, how's it going? Yo. Yeah, I'm good, mate. How's your day been, Saf? Decent little day today. Yeah, 35 ticks up for me today so far. I took that entry there, Saf. Have you taken any entries, Saf? But yeah, in terms of what's included in the Discord community, there's so much content, video content, trade breakdowns, trading course, members chats, trading tips, you know, members Zoom calls. There's a lot in there. Jumped on now, yeah, good stuff, Saf. Let's try and smash it. Trade setups as well, yeah, I share my setups. You know, I try as much as I can to share my setups that I'm taking, you know, so you can learn, not so you can take, but they are live. Like I say, once you join the community and you learn the strategy, you'll be seeing the same setups as me anyway. But when you've just joined, like Indy, if you just joined today, you will be able to follow my trades. I post 90% of the trades that I can. But like I say, they're just there for you to learn off. But yeah, they are live trades. But yeah, like I say, in the members, in the gold chat, I will post, for example, oh guys, I'm personally buying gold here, just so you can see the entry that I'm looking for. By me sharing the entry and obviously you're learning the strategy at the same time with the course and the trade breakdowns, etc. It does help you learn for sure. Not taking the positions if you don't want. It's about learning what I'm seeing. And that's why the gold chat's so good. It's just an open discussion all day of what's happening. That's where a lot of the learning is done as well. But yeah, look how gold is, and look at this level here. I had this level marked out 26.45 before it actually created this resistance. But look how well it's reacting from these two levels. You know, look at this. Anybody who's going short too early, anyone who's going short too early here is in drawdown. Okay. Anybody who's going long too early here is in drawdown. And the thing that you want to do when you're trading is don't be scared of drawdown at all. You know, you go through periods of drawdown where you'll be, for example, on you'll go through periods of drawdown. That's normal. But what you want to do as a trader to reduce, the stress and for the psychology is you want to try and reduce that drawdown as much as possible on active positions. So if you're taking 3 or 4 positions within this range, not knowing how to trade ranges on gold, start having a look at ranges and waiting for the clauses and the valid entries. Sorry guys, I've got a few questions here. Sorry if I just waffled a bit. Also, I use IC markets on TradingView. Does it matter which platform I look at for charting? See, you're on a Wanda. No, it doesn't really matter, Indy. I just use a Wanda because it's the cleanest PA for me. It's the closest. It's the closest as well to the futures chart. So, like I say, Indy, when you do get signed up, let me know. I'll give you access, and we can talk about what funded. Try and get into like I say, and get some funding with the prop firms that I use. It's a very good way to go for sure. I think funding when you're first starting is very, very good. So many passes as well recently. So many people in the community passing 50k, 100k prop firm challenges is great. I don't know if Thingy's still here. Sean. I don't know if you're still here, Sean, but he joined maybe like 2 months ago, and smashing it with his funding now. But yeah, clean range here. Bang. And like I said, I only go through so much. on YouTube. I do like to keep most of the concepts to the Discord community. I'll go through basic market structure and clauses for sure, like waiting in this range. I'll go through that. But the real learning is done in the Discord community. But if you can jump on, learn a few things, on patience, learn a few skills on patience, learn a few waiting for the market to close and stuff, absolutely fine. Learning basic liquidity concepts, that's good. Good stuff. But yeah, Indy, when you do join, I'll have to give you access. If you get signed up now, you'll have to wait till I finish the YouTube live, then you'll get full access. But yeah, it doesn't matter, Indy, about what. Like I say, if you're looking at what IC market gold, the gold chart all these is the same, but Awanda is the cleanest for sure. You know, it is the same, but definitely look at this. This price action here on this chart, TVC, is not clean. Like, horrible. I personally like looking at the Awanda chart. It's the cleanest for me, and it's the closest to the prop firms that I use too. It's the closest to that price action too, so it's always good to try and keep it as close as you can to the other charts that you're trading. But as expected, one sec, let me just look at these messages. Okay, I'm going to get signed up today after work. Then will you get notified? Yeah, as soon as you join India, as soon as, or anybody who wants to join, as soon as you join the Discord community, you get 2 emails. The first email is just confirmation that you've signed up. The second one, it normally takes about 5-10 minutes to come through, but the second one is the link for the Discord community. As soon as you join the Discord community, just put a message in the general chat, you know, welcome, just joined, hi everyone, just joined, something like that, and then I will give you access to all the other channels. So when you first join, you will only see 2 or 3 channels, for example, the general chat and maybe announcements and the welcome channel, but there's like 20 to 25 different channels that I need to give you access to. You know, you've got the crypto chats, the gold chats, you know, all the educational channels. Yeah. So when you do join, just put a message in the general chat and I'll give you access. The only reason I have to give you access is because many people could just invite everyone, and if anybody's inviting anyone, I don't want them to see all the content for nothing. So it's important to yeah, only give access when people join. So yeah, if you do join, the people who do get invited and they haven't actually signed up for the community, they'll only see the general chat until I give them access. So yeah, but yeah, good stuff in there. I'll see you there, mate, after work. What is the US session doing to us? I knew it was going to be a bit choppy. Look at that, straight back up. And like I mentioned before, look at that. Anybody going short before this closure, look at that. Anybody going short before this closure, they're in drawdown, look. Look at that. Perfect example. So anybody in the community who's here, when I talk about retail jumping into the market without waiting for the closures, look at that. It's a perfect example of to wait for the closure below, you know, your big levels. Look at this, big rejection, look at this, big rejection. If we close below, yeah, sells are perfect, because price, when it closes below, as it confirmed the direction to continue down, okay? But until it closes below, there's nothing to say that price is gonna continue down, and like I say here, it hasn't. Sounds good. Do you trade gold or US 100? I only trade gold personally, Indy, but there's a few members who trade a few different pairs. Only 1 or 2 of them trade maybe US 100 works. NASDAQ works really well too, but I get enough opportunity during the day. But if you want to trade 1 or 2 pairs, yeah, the strategy works perfect with, you know, GJ works well, NASDAQ, US 100, and gold. Yeah. But yeah, there's if you wanna just trade gold, like I say, gold will give you 10-15 positions per week, you know, and you don't have to be trading gold all day to find that. On average, I take about 10 to 15 trades per week, and I'm not on the charts all day. You know, I trade I trade London session, US session, but I'm not trading the full sessions. You know, maybe like 2 or 3 hours each session I'll trade. Obviously, most of the time I've just got alerts. For example, if I was, like I say, I'd be active in the community, talking, answering questions, but if I was out, I'd just set an alert here now and I'd be getting alerted. I'd set an alert here, I'd set an alert here. Look at this 30, what's this 30? Oh yeah, 30 minutes looking decent. Do you know what's great to see as well? You know what's good to see? 2 people or 3 people in the community have literally said 30 looks good. And it's so good to see that they're seeing this before me. Obviously, I was asking questions in YouTube. I see it clearly. Obviously, you've got 30-minute entry in a second. But yeah, 5 minutes. If this 30 can close bullish, then yeah, I'll be looking for them players into these highs here. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, I catch what 10 to 15 trades a week. That's plenty for me. But you know, I don't trade all day as well. I literally set alerts, trade for like 5-6 hours a day. Yeah, I'm active in the community answering questions, but I'm not actively trading all the time, guys. Like, there'll be times where community members will take positions and I won't take them, but they took them and they're absolutely valid. But there'll be times where I take positions and, you know, a few of the members are working and they can't take it. It is what it is. You trade when you can. But if you have got a busy lifestyle, you can just literally set alerts at your levels. Because just look at this, right? If you started setting alerts at 11 p.m. or 11 a.m., sorry, you're only getting alerted now at 1 p.m. So for 2 hours, when you've been at work for 2 hours, you're only getting your alert to look to start trading right now. Okay? Just now, and it's been 2 hours you've been waiting. So yeah. Sometimes you'll get like 5 or 6 chances on gold, 5 or 6 opportunities in like 2 hours. Sometimes you'll get 1 or 2. It depends what it gives you. Price action changes all the time. You know, some days are just ranging, like Friday. Friday here, big range, no trading here. You know, you can look for it. There will be 1 or 2 opportunities if you really look at this, but I just stayed out. The price action that I want is here. Look at this, Asian. Look at this, London. Beautiful moves. You know, I've caught, there's 3 or 4 opportunities here. There's like two or 3 opportunities here too. You know. Any previous examples within the chart you traded? Yeah, I took an entry today. I'll just go through that because I want to keep my eye on here. But India, I took a long here. Stops were on the low. A few community members took this trade too. But yeah, let me just replay this. That was my entry. Stops on these lows. And I exited the market at these highs here. Exited the market at these highs here, which was a nice what? 3 to 1, 3.2 to 1, 39.46. Yeah, literally and it entered. I got in and out within 30 minutes, but it wasn't actually that. I entered the market here, so from 25 past to 15 minutes in and out. Yeah, 15 minutes in and out. 3.2 to 1, 3.5 to 1. That was today. That was London session long entry, and it was good to see 2 or 3. Well, more than that, the others get involved too. Without even me calling it. But there's so many. Like I say, guys, join the free Telegram. If you join the free Telegram, go to the description in the YouTube live. Join the free Telegram. There's so many examples of entries that we've caught in the community there. So many, and on YouTube too. On YouTube Live last Thursday, we caught. I know a few of the guys who were here today was on. Where are we? Wednesday, Thursday. Where are we? I'm blind. One sec, guys. I'm being blind here. Thursday. Right, here we go. Yeah, here. Look at this push here on Thursday, on the 30. Look. Push up here. This was London. Beautiful push in London. And then it even come back on Thursday. Even pull back on Thursday and give you some short opportunities too. But yeah, I do post quite a bit in the free Telegram. Well, I try to anyway. But yeah, nice. But yeah, like I said, where was that? It was on the 15, I think. But yeah, you got some longs here. This was the entry that I took on YouTube Live literally last week. It was this here. That entry there, and it pushed up like 100 ticks. Look at that. Look at that entry. perfect entry. You can just go back to 2 YouTube lives ago, not the 30-minute stream, the stream before that. I literally called this out live in front of everyone. Like I said, different people took TP at different areas, but yeah, it ran like 100 ticks there. That was a great position. 30-minute hasn't closed above, that's annoying. Just wait for the next one. Great trade that. Did that involve waiting for the range to play before? Yeah, Indy, every entry is always waiting for the range. You'll learn that. When you join the community, you'll pick that up, mate. But finding the range isn't always easy. But you'll learn with time how to pick. You'll pick that up. There's no problem with that. You'll pick that up. What made me enter this zone? It was the fact that we broke above this level here, Indy. The fact that we broke above this level, you know, broke above this level, took some liquidity below, broke above this level, I entered here. And the reason for entry on this 15-minute here was because we broke above the range here. You know, there was a range, we took liquidity, broke above, I entered up here into these highs, into the liquidity above. Okay. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head off. No worries, mate. I'm gonna head off. I've been on for an hour and a half now, but I'm gonna update you what I'm seeing, and anybody in the Discord community, I'll update you soon, if any, because I do think a 30-minute entry could be valid soon, but I need that closure above. Looking at the 15 and 30, look at this. I need to get a closure above 26.45 in order to look for longs into the liquidity above. So for anybody on the YouTube live who's looking to trade for the rest of the US session, wait for your closure above 26.45. If you get the close above 26.45, look at that. You've got 50 ticks into these highs, which I do think if we do get a nice close above, price is going to push into, okay? So wait for your close above 26.45. In terms of sells, I'm not looking for sells until price closes below some levels below, you know, 26.37. Anything below here for now, because this is the only range we've got to work with. This is the only level that I can look to go short under. If price range is a little bit more, creates a new range, then yeah, you've got sells below a new level. But for now, with the price action that we're working with, we're getting quite choppy in here. So I would like buys, but I need to close above 26.45. And in terms of sells, below this level for now. But this is what I'm working with. Anybody in the community, if a new range does form or we do get a closure above, I'll update you with if there is any entries. But yeah, that's going to be me for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. We've been on for an hour and a half in this chop. But yeah, like I say, I'm very interested to see if price can close above 26.45 and give us that continuation higher, okay? But like I say, I've been on for an hour and a half now. I'm going to stay active in the Discord community. If you want to join the Discord community, use the link that I've posted in the YouTube chat and get involved, guys. Learn the strategy, get involved in the members chats. And yeah, I'll see you there. But anyway, I'm gonna see you. I'll update anybody in the community, and anybody who's not in the community on YouTube Live. I'll see you all tomorrow at the same time. Okay? Yeah. See you all tomorrow, guys. In a bit. Bye bye.